Hey everybody, and welcome to our Bold Patents Lubbock, Texas page. You've made it. You're an entrepreneur, an inventor, or visionary, and it can seem lonely. And so I'm here on this page to help you in Lubbock, Texas, find out there actually are a ton of resources for you to go meet in person, even virtually, and connect with the other human beings that are doing a lot of the same things you're trying to do. To go learn, to go put your product, put your technology, your invention into the marketplace. I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. And I'm excited to get into this top 5 list to help you explore the city you're in. So let's go through this top 5 list. Number 1, Texas Tech Innovation Hub at Research Park. Gotta mention Texas Tech. This is the premier. This is Lubbock's premier incubator and accelerator. It's housed right here within Texas Tech's Research Park. It supports entrepreneurs, including researchers, faculty, students, community members, and also co-working space, mentorship, and all that. It's awesome. I mean, come in maybe even once a week, share, maybe break bread with another founder, another business owner that is 1 or 2 steps ahead of you. You'll learn a lot, a ton. Whether it's you're trying to develop your product, get it manufactured, or learn about marketing and sales, you're going to find a connection there within Research Park. The other cool bonus with Texas Tech and the university is getting in touch with the university itself, the researchers, the professors there. It can be a really big opportunity to get into what's called the technology transfer office and work with those individual professors or teams of researchers to try to commercialize that invention or that technology coming out of the university. On top of that, a lot of times I speak with inventors here at Bold Patents that are trying to do something really big and it's very expensive. You can try to get the university and the research program to adopt learning or researching your invention for you at 0 cost. And all they usually want is a license to continue researching while you can go make money on the free market. So please check out the Texas Tech Innovation Hub at Research Park. Okay, number 2 is the Texas Tech Accelerator program itself. This is a 12-month cohort-based startup accelerator. Now, one quick timeout I'm going to mention before you apply for any of these programs, whether it's an accelerator, incubator, you're going to want to have your foundation set before you go try to launch and accelerate. And what I mean by foundation is having a business started, an LLC, a corporation, maybe even a not-for-profit. But having met with a business attorney first is going to make all the sense in the world to you. Also, don't forget about those intellectual property attorneys, us here at Bold Patents, to help secure your patent first. At least be patent pending before applying for these accelerators or incubators. All right, my quick aside. So back to the number 2, Texas Tech Accelerator Program. They can offer small, little tiny bits of angel funding in lumps of, say, $40,000 in seed funding for startups just like yours. So go check out the Texas Tech Accelerator Program. Number 3, this is the Small Business Development Center. This is awesome, huge opportunity for all inventors of all ages and backgrounds. It is a free resource. I repeat, a free resource for you, all funded through the federal government, through the Small Business Association. There is every state has a Small Business Development Center. And guess what? You looked out here in Lubbock, Texas Tech has that one center of the whole state of Texas. The SBDC, Small Business Development Center, is right here. So it's no cost. Go get consulting, get some advice and mentorship, learn about leadership, learn about starting a company, what it means to grow, and find someone that you connect with within the local here, the Lubbock SBDC. All right, number 4 is SCORE. It's an acronym, SCORE. It's for entrepreneurs just like you. Another option to have free advising and mentoring. Oftentimes these are executives that have retired or are moving on to their next career, and they want to be able to give back to you, the inventors, the small businesses around the area. So go check out SCORE. Very similar to SBDC. They're going to help small businesses, inventors with very basic business planning, hiring your first employee, and all of that. So check out SCORE. It's right here in Lubbock. Number 5 is the innovation ecosystem and the startup culture. This is Lubbock hosting over 200 tech firms, and the local ecosystem benefits from affordable living, university partnerships, and supportive entrepreneurship culture. There's been some big startups that have come out of Lubbock, and creating Agrellis, which is a groundbreaking ag tech marketplace, connecting growers and agriculture retailers. You might have heard about Tech Innovators, Green Energy Solutions, BioHealth Corp, and Agritech Dynamics, all pioneering fields in AI, biotech, renewable energy, fintech, and smart farming. Delta Robotics also got launched out here with their ThermoFlex artificial muscle actuator. So tons of startup activity here in Lubbock. Don't miss it out. Again, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bull Patents Law Firm. Let us be your guide to help you launch in this beautiful area in Texas. Take care, buddy. Have a great day. Go big, go bold.